Once the machine settings are configured, the next step is to assign products to the machine. This includes both vending products and coffee drinks that we covered in sessions before. Assigning products to the machine is an essential part of the setup, as it defines exactly what each machine sells and what will be tracked in your sales data. Let's go to the demo.
In this demo, we'll assign vending products to machine selections. First, find the machine you want to configure. Navigate to Settings and then Machines. For this demo, I'll choose the machine I created earlier, Snack Machine, Lobby, First Floor. Open the machine and navigate to the Products tab. Then click the green Plus New Selection button. Under the Product drop-down menu, select the product you want to add. I will choose the Snickers, the product I created in the previous sessions. If needed, you can also adjust the critical value, max value, and refill unit size specifically for this machine. To explain each value, I have added them in advance. Max value. This defines the amount of single products that fit in the spiral. Next, critical value. This sets the amount of products left in the machine, from which an event will be created notifying you that it will soon be depleted. Refill value defines the amount up to which the products will be refilled when refill is registered, usually same as max value or less. Refill unit size is a step by which the products will be refilled. For items that can be added one by one, this would usually be 1. But if you wish to refill only by full packages of products, you can change this value accordingly. For example, if your Snickers candy bars come in packages of 10 pieces, and you want to fill by full packages of products only, change it to 10. Minimal pick list value defines the amount from which the product would be included in the pick list of the route planning tool. Assuming the refill values are 1 or higher, this can also be set to 1 to always be included in the pick list. Next, enter the selection number. This tells Vendon Cloud which product corresponds to each selection in the machine. Make sure the selection number matches the one programmed in the machine. For example, if Snickers is assigned to selection number 2 on the machine, enter the same number here. When finished, click Save. From this point on, every time that product is sold, Vendon Cloud will automatically update the stock level for that selection. After all products and selections have been assigned to a machine, you can copy the same setup to another machine. Navigate to Settings, then Machines. Open the next machine you want to configure and go to Products. Click Load Products. In the pop-up window, choose the machine you already configured. For this example, I'll select Snack Machine, Lobby, First Floor, because I already assigned products and selections to this machine earlier. The products and selection mappings will then be copied to the current machine. If needed, you can still make changes afterwards. This is a faster way to set up machines with the same product layout and configuration.